What's up, viewers? So it's been about 8 days total since my DIY TCA CROSS treatment. The full video is on my channel if you check it out. Anyway, I just wanted to update you on my overall progress, what's going on, how I'm healing, how it looks, everything. And I also wanted to address some major questions that I'm seeing in the comments, in my comments, and on the comments of other videos. Some major concerns when it comes to TCA CROSS in general. Also in this video, I wanted to let you know what I'm doing post-care. So immediately after my DIY TCA CROSS and my DIY treatments, I want to let you know and show you what I'm using as far as skin treatment to stimulate healing and to help take the redness away and stuff like that. But first, I'll start with the biggest question. As of yet, have I seen any significant changes in my acne scars? No, not terribly significant. I mean, the last treatment I did, the one I have the video on, I don't think it was strong enough. I didn't like the way it scabbed up. It just looked like, mainly I shed a few layers of skin in my acne scars, but I didn't have any like major scabs. I don't think it was strong enough. So the next treatment I do, if I do another one, I'm gonna make it substantially stronger, at least 80%. And I was at 50% strength with the way I diluted it down. I'm pretty sure I was around 50% last treatment. And one major question that I see in the comments and in other people's comments and on their videos and stuff like that, or one statement I see a lot, I believe it made my acne scars worse. And I can see why people would say this because of the post-inflammatory erythema or the redness, which will really emphasize your acne scars more in the short term until that goes away. Yeah, I could see how it would make acne scars look worse in some cases. That's my theory behind why it would make them look worse. Or maybe it wasn't done right. I don't know, you know, maybe some people's genuinely look worse, but do mine look worse? No, I don't think so. I really don't think so. I think all in all, with the all-out blitzkrieg and the all-out assault I've been doing on my acne scars over the past 4 months since early spring, it's made a drastic difference. And I have some before pictures and I have some after pictures I'm gonna post up after 6 months. So we're gonna see what kind of difference the microneedling is making, retinol treatment is making, the DIY TCA CROSS is making, all of that combined. I've been doing an absolute blitzkrieg on my skin. So immediately following my DIY TCA CROSS, oops, that's upside down. I'm using Mederma, and the active ingredient in this is allantoin, 0.5%. And I think that comes in prescription and over the counter, but this seems to be working pretty good. And that is immediately after my DIY TCA CROSS. Also essential SPF 100 sunscreen. I've also resumed my CeraVe, which I love this stuff. This is skin renewing retinol serum. From what I looked up, I believe this is 0.03 retinol. It's a good soft, it's not too harsh, it's not too crazy, and it's not too expensive either, and it actually makes a good difference in a lot of people. Of course, my tazarotene retinol cream 0.1, which is the strongest you can get on the market prescription wise as far as when it comes to retinol. I've also resumed this. I started doing this probably about 5 days after my treatment. Retinol really helps take away the redness. It really stimulates the collagen and the healing and, you know, the recovery time. Another common thing that doctors and dermatologists and specialists prescribe after a TCA CROSS treatment is hydroquinone cream, which is a bleaching cream. It takes away hyperpigmentation, it takes away erythema, it takes away all that. I have a low percentage hydroquinone cream. It hasn't come yet, but it was only 2%. I'm gonna use that. That's combined with retinol and hydrocortisone. And when that comes, I'm gonna start using that to take away a lot of this redness, and that'll be far more effective and aggressive as a treatment. Okay, so I'm gonna zoom in and show you an up-close picture. As you can see, a little bit of redness, but I'm wearing sunscreen today, which is kind of dulling that down. Yeah, I just wanted to fill you in, show you where I was at. I put some in this bottom wrinkle too. We'll see what happens with that in a few months, see if that goes away. It's definitely diminished it because I haven't seen anybody putting it in wrinkles, you know, and my forehead wrinkles have always kind of bothered me. So I'm experimenting a little bit there. That's it for today. Thank you. You stay tuned. Don't do anything Jesus wouldn't do, and I will see you on the next one.